Hi students, today all we are going to learn Fibonacci series in Java. The full implementation of the program, the full logic today all we are going to learn. So see and watch my video till end to be understand the full logic of. Hi students, today all we are going to learn Fibonacci series in Java. What is Fibonacci series, students? The Fibonacci series is a series where the next term is the sum of the previous two terms, where the next number is the sum of the previous two numbers. The first two terms of the Fibonacci series are 0 followed by 1. Look at here this window to be understand the logic of the Fibonacci series. The first two consecutive numbers are 0, 1. The first two default terms is 0 and 1. The sum of 0 plus 1, the sum of 0 plus 1, 1. So, next term is the addition of first two terms. And we will start from here. And next is the 1 plus 1, 2. This 3 is the 2 plus 3. 2 plus 1 is the 3. So, 0, 1 is the 1. 1, 1 is the 2. 1, 2 is the 3. 2, 3 is the 5. 3, 5 is 8. 5, 8 is 13. 8, 13 is 21. And 13, 21 is 34. And 21, 34 is 55. Now students, I am going to practically implement the Fibonacci series in Java. So right click over here this BlueJ icon to open the BlueJ compiler. Click open to continue. It will take little time to open, just look at this window. Okay, I am going to create a new class. New class, here I am writing the class name Fibonacci. As per your choice, we will give the class name. Okay, then click OK to continue. Right click over here, open editor, make it maximize, press Ctrl plus A, Ctrl plus A and press delete button to erase everything from the console. Now see, import space java dot util dot start semicolon class. Next, public static void main string args. Okay, come to the next line. Now here I have declared the scanner. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner. Within first bracket I have write here system dot in first bracket close semicolon. The next line, print one message for the user. Enter term system.out.println. Println. Here I have print the message. Enter term. Enter term. In space term is equal to sc dot next int first bracket open close semicolon. Next, here I am taking two variable in space a is equal to, I am denoting the variable a with value 0 comma b is equal to 1, the first two value of two consecutive integer. And next I have taken one more variable to be add of first two integer value to get the next value. Okay, so now I am taking a for loop for in space I is equal to, here I will start from for loop count is 0 semicolon, I less than term semicolon I plus plus. Here I print the value system dot out dot println. Here I am print the variable that is n3 plus double inverted comma open double inverted comma close first bracket close semicolon. I have put a space after putting the rest values. Now come to here, look at here. Here I have to write C. Okay, A is equal to B semicolon, B is equal to C semicolon, C is equal to A plus B semicolon. All to close, main close, class close. Now I am going to check my program is correct or not. Click on the compile button to continue.